So today I'm going to be instructing my patient on how to do direct coughing, which is another way us therapists use to promote lung expansion and clear any secretions within the airway. Um, some contraindications may be tuberculosis, intracranial pressure, or neck immobility. Um, Myself as a repertoire, I'll wash my hands first and then sanitize before coming in and talk to the patient. Next, I will ask my patient to confirm her name and date of birth.
Mosley, May 7th.
Okay. Next, I will instruct her to sit up and then have her hands to the side and then just a slight lean forward. And then to collect any sputum, we use a basin or some type of sputum collection plate to make sure we get the sputum, the secretions from our patient. And then next, I'm going to have her take a deep and slow inhalation. And then just a slight hold, and then cough. And then one more time, deep and slow inhalation, hold, and then cough. And that is directed cough. And then I didn't mention, but if the patient is just coming out of surgery, we will have them use a pillow when they leaned over. This position is known as splinting. So